Hi everyone, how are you? So today we're going to talk about how to get a home for no money down. So we talked about the USDA loan yesterday. Now we're going to talk about the VA loan. No money down. So you have to be an active duty service member or a member of the National Guard or a reserves veteran or a surviving spouse of a deceased veteran. So you either have to be a veteran or married to a veteran who is deceased to get the VA loan. So this is backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs. So instead of paying mortgage insurance, you would pay 2.15% of the loan instead of the actual mortgage insurance. And then to qualify, they have certain specifications. So to qualify, you have to meet one of these things: 90 consecutive days of active duty during wartime. 90 consecutive days of active service during wartime. That's one way to qualify. Or 181 consecutive days of active service during peacetime. 181 consecutive days of active service during peacetime. That's a different way to qualify. Or serve for more than 6 years in the National Guard or reserves, or at least 90 days under Title 32 orders, with at least 30 of those being consecutive. That's the third way to qualify. Or discharged due to disability that is connected with the service. So service-connected disability. So discharged due to a disability. That's another way to qualify. Or the spouse of a service member who died in line of duty or from a service-related disability. That's another way to qualify. So they have their qualifications for the VA loan. Mainly the bottom line is that you are a veteran of some sort, or you're married to a veteran who is now deceased, or you got disabled and it was service related. So the credit score, you have to have a credit score of 580, but different lenders make their own different rules. So that's why it's a good idea to reach out to a different lender. Like this lender may say 580, another lender may have different requirements, a different lender may have different requirements, a different lender may have different requirements. So 580 is the credit score, but that doesn't mean that it's going to be the same for every lender. It's different for whichever lender you decide to reach out to. So it's important to reach out to different ones, because just because one says no, um, you may get one that says yes if you keep searching. In fact, I interviewed someone who he went to 19 lenders before somebody actually said yes to him. And I thought that was interesting because more than likely, after one person says no to you, then you would pretty much presume that you will not be able to get a loan. But the guy I interviewed, he went to 19 lenders before he got a yes. And I thought that was interesting. So that's a story of perseverance to keep going. Just because people are saying no, you're going to get a yes eventually if you keep going. So if you are a veteran or you know someone who is veteran or served in the military of any capacity, share this information with them, especially if they are renting. They could be in a home with no money down. I mean, no money down. So share this information anyone that you know who served in the military of any capacity, anyone who is a veteran. Also, when it comes to purchasing a home, since this is no money down, instead of getting a single, consider getting a multifamily from the jump, especially if you don't have to make any down payment. Take advantage of that and get the multifamily from the jump. So, of course, you are going to see if the monthly payments, see if that is affordable to you first before you purchase the home, and you will have that information. So first, you're going to make sure that those monthly payments are affordable, and then just get the most bang for your buck. Instead of get going for that single, go for the multifamily, especially if the monthly payments are going to be affordable to you. All right. So it all depends on your comfort level, especially when it comes to those payments, because those payments are going to be coming every month. And you definitely want to make sure that those monthly payments are comfortable for you. All right. So if you're a veteran, go ahead and take this information and get your property when you are ready. No down payment. And again, like I said before, pass this information on to other people that you know, especially if they're renting when they could be owning a property. If you have served in any capacity, there are special privileges out here for you. And this is one of them. No down payment. All right. So if you like the show, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss the episode. Also, please leave a comment. It helps the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day.